We decided to do our project on taste. We split up into 2 teams to see who could buy some basic goods the fastest. Team 1, start. Our first mission, find an orange. Natalie searches for the orange and finds it pretty quickly. On to the next product, she searches for pot noodles. It took slightly longer than expected, but eventually she found some. After that, the next product we searched for were crisps. Our next item to search for is some antibacterial laundry detergent. Taste uses a make-to-stock method, causing them to hold a large level of inventory. While this can shorten lead time, it can also cause Taste to warehouse a lot of inventory. This is a problem with miscommunication on the labeling because they don't know what they have and how much they have. Tags said out of stock when it's clearly not out of stock. This can easily confuse any customer. The final product we needed was milk, which was at the other end of the store. All the products she looks for are normal day-to-day goods, but the store has a disorganized structure, which made it a lot longer to find just a few items. Checking out took a lot longer than necessary, especially as we only had 5 items to purchase. There were no products there to encourage impulse buying, so we settled for an old magazine. It's obvious that Taste is attempting a product line approach where certain employees are responsible for certain tasks, and that's it. But it doesn't seem to be running as smoothly as they hoped. After a long wait, we finally paid for the items in cash, and task complete. Total task time, 8.8 minutes. Team 2, start. Janice collects her basket and basket holder. She finds her first item, which was grapes. All fresh produce is at the entrance of the store. After the grapes, she then moved on to find a case of beer. After that, we searched for toilet paper, which was on the other side of the store. The last item on the list is cereal. And where there was further miscommunication with an out-of-stock label. Janice goes through the self-checkout. Here, Taste is using a self-service approach by attempting to reduce customer waiting time by allowing them to process their own purchases. There was a problem on the self-checkout screen which required one of the employees to come and help, but it was still faster than traditional checkout. A receipt was printed out, and then she leaves the store. Task completed, total task time, 9.7 minutes. The team visits the customer service desk to return items. They're not happy with us, but we continue to film. We're stopped by an employee in the process. We did manage to return some of the items and got a refund. Here's the current service layout. Here's the current service blueprint. Here are 3 recommendations for a better and more efficient customer experience. Taste should analyze the preference of customers and control its inventory level by using an inverse cumulative distribution in order to reduce the overstocking problem. Also, they should train staff in order to reduce the task error. For example, reducing the out-of-stock labels. The second recommendation is they should also install more self-checkout machines in order to increase productivity, as there are less than 10 self-checkout machines currently. Our third recommendation is to design a different layout in order to increase the impulse buying by customers and minimize the customer's movement. For example, they can put bottled drinks and beer in the same place, or putting milk and cereal in close proximity. Moreover, Taste should install more nameplates and aisle labels to help navigate customers to their desired product.